Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Let me just start off by saying I didn't know I liked Baja Blast from the bottle until I tried it, because I don't go to Taco Bell and I don't like Taco Bell, but this is pretty good. So yeah, that got me hyper today. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to go over my current hair products that I'm using, what I use on my hair in the shower, after the shower, just things like that, because I know I actually didn't know what to do with my hair because my hair was straight for pretty much my younger teenage life. It wasn't until we moved to Florida and after a couple years I started getting curly hair. So if you can tell, I have like wavy. I'm not sure what type this is. If I can figure it out, I'll put it in the description box, but it's like wavy. There are some curls. It does curl if I do it correctly. Mind you, also this is like day 2 hair. So it has gotten a little frizzy while I slept. I'm still trying to work that part out, is sleeping, so that my hair doesn't get frizzy when I sleep. But for now, this is what I have. So if you are interested and you have frizzy, wavy, almost curly hair just like me, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So firstly, we're going to start off with, I guess we'll go in the shower first. So currently I have a liter size with a pump shampoo and conditioner. It is from Macadamia Professional. It is the Nourishing Repair shampoo and conditioner for medium to coarse textures. So this is the one I have. I think this one, okay, so now when you have really curly hair, I was told that you're not supposed to lather. So this one actually lathers. This is going to be for more of like your wavy, almost curly, a little bit of curl type of hair. But this has, it's for hydration, restoring, and strengthening. So this one does lather. I use about 6 pumps of this. Mind you, I only wash my hair like twice a week maybe. So I only use 6 pumps of this. I think I've had this since, or I started it October of last year, and I feel like I'm like right here on it. So it's getting kind of low. I have another one on backup that I'm going to try, but this does already come with a pump. And this is the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. Now, I know these are really expensive, so I bought those during the liter sale at Ulta. The liter sales go on around January and around July. So the next one's going to be in July. I believe these were $19.99, and they're usually like $40 a pop. So I basically got 2 for 1, the shampoo and conditioner. So I heard it was really good for frizzy hair and curly hair. So that's why I wanted to try it. It smells really good. I don't know if macadamia nut has a smell, but it smells really good. And yeah, it kind of just gives me like the soft waves that I have. They're kind of chunky, which I like. I mean, I've learned to love the curly parts of my hair. Both my parents have curly hair, so I was kind of eventual that I was going to get curly hair. But yeah, so this is like what I end up with. See, I have like little curls here. But yeah, so I only shampoo about twice a week with this. The next one that I have on backup is from Wella, so I'm going to be using that next. I think it's like the Nutri-Rich one, which is for dry, frizzy hair. But yeah, so that is the next one that I'm going to use. This is the one that I'm using right now, and I really like it. So if I don't like the Wella, by the time I get to it, it will probably be the liter sale again, and I can just buy this again. So that's the one that I've really liked that I've tried so far. As well as shampooing and conditioning, which the conditioner you actually leave on for 30 seconds and then you rinse it off. I always have one of these hair ties on my hand, so when I do the conditioner, I just put my hair up in a bun, shave my armpits, do something else while that is soaking in. I'll leave it in longer for 30 seconds and then I'll just rinse it out, and then you feel like the moisture in your hair. So the second thing that I do as far as shampoo and conditioner is I have this AG hair cleansing cream, and this is a foam free hair wash, and it is for actual curly hair. So whenever you see a cleansing cream or anything like that, that's going to be for curly hair. It doesn't lather. It is literally just kind of like a conditioner, but it still kind of gets all the grime off. So if you find any of these, you want to use this. I have a trial size because I think they were getting rid of them, so they went on sale and I bought a couple. So I have that in the shower right now. I have used the Living Proof curl line, but that line's discontinued. And then the Curlsmith, which was actually in my empties. I was using that because with this one, I think you can leave it in. Well, I leave it in for like a minute or two and then I rinse it out. The Curlsmith one you do leave in and then you rinse out, but any cleansing cream or any type of extra conditioner that you can use on top of the shampoo and conditioner from Macadamia like I'm using is also really good. If I don't use that cleansing cream, I actually have been using this OGX Quenching Coconut Curls conditioner. And this one, you actually just put it all in your hair and you wait 3 to 5 minutes. So this one is one that I also leave in after the macadamia one. This one, I find when I've been using it, has been really good at locking the curls in. And I really like to take a shower at night so that I can sleep on my cotton pillowcase. And then it kind of soaks up the water while drying my hair. So I wake up with like these locked curls. I don't know if you can see. They're kind of, this is day 2 curl right here. But maybe this side's a little better. So I have like these big chunks of waves, and when I sleep on my pillow, that's because I have used this and I'm sleeping with wet hair, and it kind of just sucks all the water out and it keeps the lock of the conditioner in there. So that is one that I have been really enjoying. Any type of extra conditioner that you can do on top of your hair after a conditioner, if you have wavy, curly, frizzy hair like me, it helps a lot. Also, when you are doing conditioner on your hair, I typically just do conditioner from like here down, because if you do the conditioner on your roots, you kind of just defeated the purpose of shampooing it clean. I like to have my roots clean or my roots dry, which you can feel in the shower. After the conditioner comes out, you can feel that these are a little bit squeakier clean than the strands. So that is how I'm helping my hair just kind of keep that moisture in, and then you get the curls in the end. So that's been really working for me. Alright, so that is the shower products. Now we're moving on to after the shower and styling products. So when I get out of the shower, I bought this at Ulta. This is a turbie twist. It is kind of like a cap right here. You put this on the back of your head, and then you kind of put your hair in here, and then you just twist it around, twist it on top, and then it has like a little rubber band that you kind of secure that with. This one is a little bit of an older one. As you can tell, it's like coming apart. I don't really, I like the idea of this and I like how it works. However, this is my first one, and then the second one that I have was, I mean, I'm still using it, but I washed it and now it's starting to smell. So I don't really know how we're supposed to wash these. I guess I could just look at the tag, but I don't see a tag. So I'm gonna have to look into this more. However, if you can find kind of like a microfiber cloth, I know Devacurl makes one, and then the brand Kish makes one that I've heard was really good. I just haven't gotten my hands on any yet. But these are going to be really good to kind of soak up the water and not damage your hair. If you're using like a regular heavy towel, it kind of defeats the purpose of washing and keeping the moisture in. When you're using that towel, it's kind of damaging and just not soaking up the product as it should. Mind you, you don't have to keep your hair in a towel. You can just let it free and you know, let it air dry. However, when I do that, if I don't put products in right away, I just get really frizzy and it's just a mess. So I use one of these towels. I can link this one down below, and then I can also find the ones from Kish and Devacurl and link those for you there too. So that's right after the shower. I put that towel in. This is the most recent brush that I have. It is the Wet Brush Epic Professional. I think this is one that's kind of like vented for blow drying, but it's really just plastic bristles, no boar bristles or anything. I honestly have never used the boar bristles. I think when I was younger I did, but I don't find the need that I need to use it now. So this is just basically for me to detangle my hair. I only brush my hair when it's wet. Unless I'm going to style it or do something with my hair, I don't brush it when it's dry and like this, because when you brush out your waves and your curls, you're just going to get frizzy mess. So it's just like a hot mess when I brush it. So I use this when I get out of the shower, after I am done with my towel, because I kind of just walk around in my towel until I'm ready to actually put product in my hair. So that is the brush that I've been using to just brush my hair really quick after the shower. Now we're moving on to products that I use in my hair so that it kind of creates this effect. Mind you, this is frizzy, but I wanted to show you this so that I can show you that this is also a really good refresher as well as a leave-in styling product. So this is the Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. I think this was on sale for like hair, 21 days of hair or something from Ulta. So I bought it and it was like half off, and then I found them on buy one get one 40 off. So I bought this and a mousse that I'm going to try. But this, I have already finished one. This is my second one. It's just a spray. It has 10 different properties in it. It is for detangling, frizz, strength, soften, cuts drying time if you style heat dry your hair. Adds shine, nourishes, smooths, protects against thermal and UV damage, which is really nice because I live in Florida, the sun's really hot, and it's going to protect my hair. So it has 10 benefits in one spray. So yeah, this is basically just kind of like an all-in-one type of thing where I feel like it's more oily than like lotiony, which is really nice because when my hair is 2 days old and frizzy like this, all I do is and then kind of run it through, and I don't ever use my fingers. I just kind of grab it and make sure it goes through, and it kind of defrizzes and refreshes my hair. So this has been a lifesaver. I heard really good things about it a while ago, but I never tried it. So now that I've tried it, I can tell you that this is a really good product. So whenever this is on sale, you can always catch it on Ulta when it's on sale. I don't know where else they sell Eva NYC, maybe Target. However, this smells really nice. It's really good. It has argan oil, sunflower seed oil, and it's for all hair types. So if you are interested, this is really good. I will link this down below, but this is basically what I use. And then I have recently been using this Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves hair cream. It's to define curls. It has grapeseed and jasmine extract. So this formula I find is kind of, it's really thick and milky. I don't know, maybe we can grab some. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really pasty. So I don't really like to use a lot of it. I really just use like a little dot, and then I really just kind of get the bottom half of my hair because I really like to saturate my ends with a lot of product, especially this. So I'm using this and this a lot on my ends, and then this is like the cream from like here down, because I found that when I went too high up it was making my hair look greasy. So that was like not what I was going for. But if you can find a curl cream that you really like, that also helps, especially when I go to sleep at night with wet hair and I have this in my hair. It helps hold everything together, and I wake up and I've got really nice locks in my hair. So that is another one that I've been using and I've been liking. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this yet. I might have to try that foam before I go to another cream, because I also heard that Marc Anthony has really nice lotion for curls. So if I try that, I think I'm going to try the foam before, see if I like that. Maybe I can just use that up. Alright, last two products. So this is the Bedhead, TG Bedhead Mini Masterpiece. This is a mini size of the Masterpiece, which is Shine Hairspray. This I just use when we are going out. I actually use it mostly like in this area right here. just when I have like frizzies and flyaways, and just kind of on the ends if I have them looking a little crazy, I will just spray this right here and kind of rub it down like I do with a spray when I'm refreshing my hair, and this kind of gets rid of all the frizzies. This one actually smells really good too, so I just kind of like using it. But this is one that I am actually going to try and repurchase the big size. The big sizes go on sale often, so whenever I catch it next, I think I'm going to buy the big size. But this is another thing that is really helpful for frizzy hair. So if you have frizzy hair, you can try this and see how it works out for you and see if you like it, because I really like it. And then the last thing that I'm going to mention is something that is for, I guess, like me, where I'm like on day 2 hair. I might use this tomorrow though, because I did wash it. Now it'll be 2 nights ago. So on the 3rd night, when I'm not going to wash it until the 4th night, this is something that I use to kind of refresh in between. This is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. It is for eliminating oil, sweat, and odor, which is really nice in case you get stinky. I know when I sweat, I kind of sweat in my hair. I kind of realized that when I was doing CrossFit for a while. I would put my hair up. My face wouldn't sweat, but like my head would be like drenched. So I had a really sweaty scalp. This I discovered after that fact, but this does actually get all the oil out of your hair. This is probably one of the better ones that I've used that doesn't leave a white cast. I have one that's kind of invisible right now, and it's okay, but I don't feel like it really does anything. This is the one that I've been going back to. This is the one I'm using now. I have a backup in my drawer. When they go on sale, sometimes they go on National Dry Shampoo Day, or they'll go on like the beauty steal. I will buy these because I like to keep stock of them, and they really do get rid of the oil. My husband uses this because he gets a really greasy scalp too, so it works, and I really like it. So all you have to do is spray this in, kind of leave it, and then you kind of like shake it out, and you can literally see all of the particles falling off your hair. So this, I believe, works. So if you haven't tried it, I'd probably get a smaller size and try it. It actually lasts me a really long time. I can't remember how long I've had this, but I know I just had one of my empties that I had for at least 6 months, so it's going to last you a really long time, even if you get the small one and you don't use it every day. But this is really good for people who like work out, get really sweaty. Sometimes I get sweaty at work, so you know, I come home and I dry shampoo my hair. But yeah, so I really like this, and I feel like it doesn't take away any moisture from my hair. It just kind of helps with the greasiness. So yeah, that is going to be the last product that I'm going to talk about. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you got a couple tips and tricks, things to try for your frizzy, wavy, curly hair like mine. If I can think of anything else that I forgot to mention, I will put it in the description box below. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will get back to you. So that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.